Hey everyone, welcome back. Inflation is often seen as a financial burden. It raises the cost of goods, decreases the value of money, and can make it harder to save. But what if I told you there are ways to not only protect yourself during inflation, but actually profit from it? Today we're diving into 15 powerful ways you can benefit from inflation. Whether you're an investor, a homeowner, or just looking for smarter ways to navigate your finances, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. This is Wealthvelocity, where you create, protect, and grow your wealth fast. Number 1. Invest in real estate. Real estate is one of the most effective hedges against inflation. When inflation rises, so do property values and rental income. Owning property allows you to benefit from asset appreciation while earning consistent cash flow from rent. Mortgages also become easier to manage during inflation. If you locked in a fixed-rate mortgage, you're effectively paying back the loan with money that's worth less over time, reducing your real debt burden. Start by evaluating local real estate markets, looking for areas with growing demand. Investing in rental properties, REITs, or even crowdfunding platforms can offer exposure to real estate gains without requiring significant upfront capital. Number 2. Buy commodities. Commodities like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products tend to increase in value during inflation. These are tangible assets that hold intrinsic value and often serve as safe havens when currencies lose purchasing power. Consider diversifying your portfolio by adding commodity-focused ETFs or directly investing in precious metals. This strategy protects your wealth while providing growth opportunities as prices rise. Number 3. Invest in inflation-protected securities. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, are government bonds designed specifically to protect against inflation. The principal value of TIPS increases with inflation, ensuring that your investment keeps pace with rising prices. These securities provide a low-risk way to preserve purchasing power while earning interest. They're an excellent choice for conservative investors looking for stability during volatile economic periods. Number 4. Focus on dividend-paying stocks. Companies that pay consistent and growing dividends can be a great inflation hedge. During inflationary periods, businesses with strong pricing power can pass costs to consumers, maintaining profitability. Look for stocks in sectors like utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples, industries that tend to perform well regardless of economic conditions. Reinvesting dividends during inflation can compound your returns, allowing you to profit even as prices rise. Number 5. Start or expand a business. Inflation can create new opportunities for entrepreneurs. As costs rise, businesses that adapt quickly and offer essential products or services can thrive. If you already own a business, consider raising prices strategically to maintain margins while keeping customers loyal. Starting a business that solves inflation-driven problems, like energy efficiency, alternative products, or financial planning, can position you to profit. Focus on industries that are recession-resistant or provide goods and services that people prioritize regardless of economic conditions. Number 6. Invest in energy and utilities. Energy and utility companies often benefit during inflation because their services remain in demand and their pricing adjusts with rising costs. Investments in oil, natural gas, renewable energy, or utility ETFs can provide stability and growth. As energy prices rise, these investments tend to appreciate, offering a reliable income stream through dividends or price gains. Research companies with strong fundamentals and a history of consistent performance during economic fluctuations. Number 7. Hold debt in fixed-rate loans. If you have fixed-rate loans, inflation works in your favor. The real value of your debt decreases over time as the purchasing power of money declines. This means you're effectively paying back loans with cheaper dollars. This strategy is particularly advantageous for mortgages, student loans, or other long-term fixed-rate debt. Ensure you're managing debt responsibly and use the extra financial flexibility to invest in inflation-resistant assets. Number 8. Invest in hard assets. Hard assets like collectibles, art, and luxury items often retain or increase their value during inflation. High-quality assets with limited supply tend to appreciate as their replacement costs rise. Research niche markets where you can invest in assets that align with your interests and knowledge. Platforms for fractional ownership of art or collectibles can also make these investments more accessible. Number 9. Explore cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, are often seen as digital gold. While volatile, some view cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation due to their decentralized nature and limited supply. If you're comfortable with higher risk, allocate a small percentage of your portfolio to cryptocurrencies. Conduct thorough research and focus on projects with strong fundamentals and widespread adoption. Number 10. Invest in foreign currencies. During inflation, currencies of countries with lower inflation rates or stronger economies may outperform your local currency. Investing in foreign currencies or foreign-denominated assets can protect and even grow your wealth. Forex trading, international bonds, or ETFs that track foreign markets are practical ways to diversify your currency exposure. Understanding macroeconomic trends and geopolitical factors can help you make informed decisions. Number 11. Focus on essential industries. Sectors like healthcare, food production, and basic consumer goods are resilient during inflation. Companies in these industries often have the pricing power to pass on rising costs without losing customers. Investing in these essential sectors through individual stocks or sector-specific ETFs can provide stability and growth in your portfolio. Focus on companies with strong balance sheets and a history of navigating economic challenges successfully. Number 12. Leverage inflation in rental agreements. If you own rental properties, inflation allows you to increase rent prices over time, matching rising costs. Rental income adjusts upward, providing a growing cash flow stream that outpaces inflation. Ensure your lease agreements include clauses that allow for periodic rent adjustments. This helps you maintain profitability while staying competitive in the rental market. Number 13. Invest in agricultural land. Agricultural land is a tangible asset that often increases in value during inflation. Demand for food remains consistent, and rising prices for crops can make farmland more profitable. Purchasing farmland or investing in agricultural REITs can provide both income and asset appreciation. This strategy aligns with the increasing global focus on food security and sustainable farming practices. Number 14. Focus on skills and education. Investing in your skills and education is one of the best inflation-proof strategies. By increasing your earning potential, you can outpace rising costs and adapt to changing economic conditions. Focus on high-demand industries and skills that offer job security and growth. Certifications, advanced degrees, or specialized training can open doors to better opportunities and higher salaries. Number 15. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401(k)s allow your investments to grow tax-deferred or tax-free, providing an edge during inflation. Contributing consistently to these accounts helps you maximize long-term growth. By reducing your taxable income and letting your investments compound, you can build wealth more effectively. Pair this strategy with inflation-resistant investments within these accounts to amplify your results. And there you have it. 15 ways you can profit from inflation. While inflation can feel like a financial challenge, these strategies show that it also offers unique opportunities to grow your wealth. Which of these methods are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial tips, and share this with someone who's looking to stay ahead in today's economy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more money in your pocket.